Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Twilio, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Twilio website at www.twilio.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill out the required fields in the registration form. Enter your full name in the first field. Input a valid email address that you can access. Create a strong password that meets Twilio's security requirements. Confirm your password by retyping it in the next field. Select the checkbox to agree to Twilio's terms of service and privacy policy. After completing the form, click on the Get Started button. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email from Twilio and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Twilio site and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be directed to the Twilio console dashboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your profile setup. You may be asked to provide your phone number for additional verification. Enter your phone number and choose whether to receive a verification code via SMS or voice call. Check your messages for the verification code and input it in the required field. Click on the verification button to confirm your phone number. Explore the Twilio console where you can access various services and APIs. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard features and available documentation. You are now fully registered and can start building with Twilio services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.